So here's a holly that a lot of homeowners or commercial builders will put in their landscape. But the mistake that people make is, I want to kind of give you a broad perspective here, is that you have this pyramidal shape. Now a typical person, even landscapers, will have an imaginary image of a pyramid, and they'll cut these suckers right here. In the problem with that is that you're eliminating one problem by removing the sucker, but you're creating a worse. Now this is going to produce 5 or 6 new growth, and it's going to shoot off to here. But in order to really get a good shape, these could have been completely removed. So this branch right here, you can remove it all the way out to where it's growing from. All right, now this foliage right here is what's creating the shape on the tree. So if I just go through and remove all of these suckers that were, or water sprouts, the foliage here, as you can see, is, and if you notice, I'm pruning to laterals. I'm not just leaving nubs inside of a plant. Now you can see the foliage itself is creating the shape, and not having that, you know, where the suckers are cut off here. Because remember, the goal is to produce less work for yourself and the less amount of pruning. When you do this here, you're creating a headache for yourself in the long run. If you prune down into the shrub and remove this here, the foliage is what's creating the shape.